Hello guys, we are on 5.1. Okay, they say simplify the expression to a single trigonometric ratio or term there. Okay, we are given the tan into the negative x, they multiplying the cos x, multiplying the sine into x, subtracting the 180 degrees, that close bracket, then minus 1. Okay, then we are going to try to simplify it. Okay, that's our 5.1. Okay, then the 5.1, we are having the tan into negative x, multiplying the cos x there, the sine into x, subtracting 180 degrees minus 1. Okay, we know that the negative angle falls in the fourth quadrant. Okay, in the fourth quadrant, the tan is negative, then this reduces to negative tan x there. Okay, here I'm just having a cosine. Okay, when it comes to this one, we are having sine into x, subtracting 180 degrees. Okay, with this one we don't stress. Okay, uh, like the negative angles, we focus only in the fourth quadrant. Okay, to make life easy, we don't focus on the other quadrants. Okay, so here, since we know that we can deal with the algebra here to make sure that our 180 it is positive. Okay, remember when we reduce, we make sure that the quadrant is positive. Okay, then here we are going to express it as sine into then I take negative out. Okay, then I'm going to have positive 180 degrees, subtracting the 180 like that. Okay, negative 1 multiplying the 180 degrees, it gives me negative 180 degrees. Negative multiplying negative gives me positive x. Why do I arrange it like this? Because I want to have the negative angle that falls in the fourth quadrant. Okay, you can take the whole thing as a theta. Okay, which falls in the fourth quadrant, then it's going to be easy like that. Okay, that's why I'm saying with the negative angles, we all will focus in the fourth quadrant to make life easy. Okay, then we continue with the tangent, and then we know that it is an identity. Then we are having it as sine x. Okay, over cos x, then here we are still multiplying by cos x there. Okay, then now we are having the negative angle. We ask ourselves, the negative angle falls in which quadrant? We know that falls in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, the sign positive or negative, we know that sign it is negative in the fourth quadrant, and this reduces to negative sign into 180 degrees, subtracting the x like that. Okay, then we are having it like that. Okay, then we can say negative multiplied by negative gives us positive. Okay, remember, any multiplication position doesn't matter. This thing here just multiplying, that's why I'm just saying this one can multiply that one. Okay, then this cosine can divide this one because they are multiplying here. Okay, then I remain with positive sign here. Okay, then here, since I got this, I want to reduce it. Okay, 180 degrees minus which quadrant is that one? Is the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, a sign positive or negative. I remember very well that it is positive. Okay, then here I'm going to have sine x. Okay, sine x, subtracting the one there. Okay, then here sine x multiplying the sine x, I'm going to have sorry for that, I'm going to have the sine squared x 1. Okay, this one here, it also uh, it also looks like the identity. Okay, when it comes to this one, we can choose to replace the sine squared x or even the 1. Okay, remember we are having this identity here, which says that the sine squared x plus the cos squared x must give us 1. Okay, then it means where there is 1, we can replace it by this, by the whole lot of this. Okay, or where there is sine squared there, here, sorry, here's not supposed to be the cos here. It's supposed to be the cos. Sorry for that. Okay, the cos squared x there. Okay, then it means when we see this, we can replace it by that. Okay, and in this case, we are going to, let's choose this one. Okay, let's choose this one. Then we replace the sine squared. Okay, Even if you can choose the first one, I don't think that you'll go wrong, okay? Then here we're going to say 1 subtracting the cos squared x, okay? Subtracting again 1 there, okay? 1 minus 1 gives us a 0, then you remain with negative cos squared x, okay? I think we have simplified it to a symmetric ratio, okay? This is a symmetric ratio. I think it's kind of like that. If you have any question, you can comment, okay? Yeah, we are having it like that. We started there, then we came like that until we ended here, okay? Bye.